Hi, welcome back to Easy Rider. Glad you tuned in. Hope everybody's healthy and safe, happy, got everything they need. I'm still looking for toilet paper, and right now I struck out also on Ethernet cable, and I wanted 50 feet with the connectors on it. All I could get was 100 feet or 25 feet. Now that won't do me any good. I hope you like it. Hope you like my videos. You'll like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share with friends and family. Help me grow so I can share my videos with more people. Thank you. All right, let's go. Corral is closed. I guess they're not going to do any takeout business. That's a shame. What they need to do is just space out their seating in their dining rooms more to keep you 6 feet apart, like you're supposed to stay, because the stores are open. You're still all around people there. I'm turning back on the 69 going into town. Nice Ford Explorer there. Somebody else out riding. Well, it's not quite so sunny now as it was earlier. I know tomorrow's supposed to be cloudy. I guess it's starting to move in. And that's the Prescott Resort up there. Bucky's Casino. All casinos closed. Yavapai Casino. That one's closed too. Now I'm looking to get something to eat. I may strike out there too. And this is Yavapai College. Maybe someday I'll leave my pistola at home. You can't have guns in there, and I'll show you around in there, but that kind of annoys me. Those are adults, they're not kids. Anybody over 18 is allowed to own a gun. There's Thumb Butte in front of us. There, I guess people are eating in their cars. You know what? I'm going to go over by Outlaw Donuts. They were closed the last time my wife and I went out looking to get a donut, but then we found out that power outage at our house extended a lot more than just our area. Our area is always losing power. But they said this covered a lot of areas in Prescott too. So that might have been why there was why they were closed that day a couple weeks ago. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to on that Goodwin Street that's all screwed up. I hope it's not real muddy. They've been having a couple of streets down here all torn up for a long time. Over a year now. Doesn't look muddy, just rough and dirty. It's not muddy. It's a little muddy over here though. Stay out of that mud. Yeah, that's all right. But this is kind of muddy. Outlaw Donuts is open or not. I don't know if they are open. Let's see. Hours. Saturday, 6 a.m. to 3. Well, it's closed until further notice. Well, shoot. Best donut place around, and they're closed. The other one, Daylight Donuts, they always run out of donuts before they're supposed to be closed, and they close up. You need to learn how to make more. But their donuts aren't as good as these here at Outlaw. Well, see what else I can find or not find. May or may not find anything. Oh, I'm singing. You don't want to hear that, sorry. Now this looks a little muddier here. Oh man, it is. Look at all that mud. See if I can pick a drier spot. I don't understand why there's so much mud here. It hasn't rained in several days now. I really don't understand why they're taking so long to repave this street or fix whatever it is they're fixing. I know they said they're replacing some kind of pipes, but why does it take over a year? Come on. Those just two short areas there on the street. Two short areas. Short area on Goodwin and a short area on that one. I don't know the name of that one. I'll go to Circle K and see if they got any pizza. Last time I was there, they didn't have any pizza. But I'm real thirsty, so I'll get something to drink anyway. Oh, I don't have I gotta go to the ATM to get money. Earlier in the week, and then I got my Social Security on Wednesday, but I haven't been out to get any money. Going there to get something done, which I'm going to be doing next week. I got to go get some lab work done. But I need to have some money now. So I'll go over here to my credit union and use the ATM. I wish I could see if I can do this with this one glove on. Push these buttons. That up. Yeah, I'll turn this off right now. Okay, I'm back. It worked with this glove on. I had to clear it once and start over because it took one number twice, but it worked. But then I had to grab the money. And that's not clean at all. Well, off we go again to Circle K. Singing again. Sorry. Free flu shots? A little bit early or late for flu shots. Yeah, I've been getting a flu shot every year since I worked at the hospital here because they gave them to the employees free. And I just continued to get them, but I never got the flu at work. Even though I was working around all those people. But the last 6-7 years, maybe more than that, I keep getting it anyway, even with a flu shot. $265. Well, the Maverick. Oh, well, the well, no, the Maverick is. Actually, the Maverick is cheaper on premium, but I think the Maverick is cheaper on regular too. Well, let's see what I can find. Thanks for watching.